Just a beauty, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't even want to eat it. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American vlogger. So today I am going to check out a new restaurant in Lagos that I have not been to before. We were gonna go to Yakoyo. I did a little video review about them last time. I'll post the link somewhere on this video. But today I'm going to check out somewhere different that's called Olaiya. So we'll see how great their food is. But these are more local, these are more restaurants that serves local dishes. So like, you know, things like local Nigerian dishes. So we're gonna go check it out. And I got the hookup from him. So I'll let you guys know if it's great, bad, good. I'll let you guys know my expectation on it. Alright, we'll see you guys there. There, guys. Olaiya Foods and Catering Service.
They do free valet parking.
Free valet parking. That's cool. Guys, I'm getting a VIP service here at Olaiya. So we got umbrellas. How is that for customer service, guys? That's so cool. Thank you, Sal. So it's Olaiya Foods and Catering Services. Alright, let's go check it out. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, you're right. This place is not as crowded.
Sometimes it gets crowded.
Yeah.
I think maybe because
Okay. That's awesome. They have yams, rice, beans, turkey, fried fish. Just a beauty, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't even want to eat it. Oh, that's very good. Wow. The Amala is smooth and soft. Oh. Oh, yeah. This is very good. Very good, guys. The Amala gets a 10 out of 10. Wow. So this is the fish. Oh yeah, catfish is fantastic, but kind of expensive. 2K for the fish. Their ewedu, fantastic. I actually prefer their food here than Yakoyo. This is better, I think. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm so rude. Come and join me, guys. So this is a fried goat meat. Let's try it. I thought it was gonna be not as tender, but it's actually not bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish my meal. So this is one of those restaurants, if you want some Amala, highly recommend you have to check it out when you're in Lagos. So this concludes my review of another restaurant. Thanks to my bro here. And let me give you guys a shot of the ambience. So that's the shot of the ambience right there. Not too crowded. It's good. It's not too crowded at all. You can chill here and enjoy your meal and live your best life. Yeah, it's definitely more chill. All right, guys. So the name of the restaurant is called Olaiya Foods. It looks like the OlaiyaFoods.com. OLAIYA Foods.com. Where is this truck? What street is this?
It just off Admiralty.
Okay, so the place is off of Admiralty Road in Lekki Phase 1. Alright, so that's the price, guys. So the total was 4,700 Naira for both of us. Thanks for joining me. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.